Okay, about 15 minutes from the camping, we've come up to the village of Aigüestortes, which is the base of the winter ski resort and also the base of the summer, spring, autumn, and winter touring area of the national park Aigüestortes. You can tell the area is pretty controlled. They're really concerned about having low impact in the mountains, so you have to register and buy some tickets to take a four-wheel jeep up to the lake, because otherwise it would just be too much transit, too much traffic, too many emissions, and it would really be harmful for the environment. Yeah, you've got to pay a few euros, but it's well worth it. So I paid 10 euros 50 for a single ticket. There's shuttles going up the mountain all day long, and every hour on the hour. Check out the image behind me. It looks like the mountains are in the lake. That's beautiful. You come here with your family with little ones. You have just around this park, around this lake, you have some easy treks, like 1 hour, 30 minutes up the trail. There's a nice waterfall, and then there's a big lookout where you can see over the lake and see all the mountains around, and you can do a circular tour which will bring you back to the starting point. Definitely come to No Camping and make one of your excursions. Plan on coming to St. Maurici Lake at the footstep, at the doorstep, at the beginning, at the front, right before it starts of the National Park Aigüestortes. We'll see you here. Give me a call and I'll come join you for a trek. Ciao.